Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Aruge isomoyo kumapendo konta. Abana wina aliyese atuke wa shopu, museke kai wa shopu atuke panje wina aliyese.
Asa dongo za madam abweru katika mbanda panja.
Hey. Omungati muli ogula na aliyese je panje. Come out. Come on, come out.
Sir.
Wait. Come out. Come out, come.
Hello.
Yeah, come out. Okay, no set Rugani many mudate. Come out. Come out. How Marugut? I saw Marugut house. Hey, come on, close this, come here. I say, Tauza Tiene Mabana will be good. Omo, wow, Munda. Omo, I say, Munidad. Hey, come here.
Yes. How are you, Mr. Joe?
I'm good, and you?
Yes.
You see this place? Are you cleaning or not?
Yes.
Are you cleaning? Do you see this place? The way it looks.
Because this watchman.
Your house, can you leave your house like this?
Sorry.
Eh?
Yes.
In your country, you can leave these things like this. Come on, come. Hey, come and see. Come on and see. Look at this. What are you doing? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, come. I say, why you're done? What show you're done? Look at this. You can't just have someone to clean the place. Come on. I want to clean this. I don't want anything from you. What I want, you find someone to clean the place. Look at this stuff. Look at this. Come, look at this. Are you serious? You can't clean here. Right? You can't clean here. And you are making business.
No. You're not only my shop.
Okay, your shop is there. Look what? Your shop is there. So you need to clean here. Come on.
Oh, okay.
You are not cleaning.
You need
to clean it. Come here. Come on. Somebody will understand. Yeah, it's just that. Now I start doing and go to die. And this. If the family saw, you know the Sunday, it's also the Sunday. Nababu. Don't understand, don't you? You didn't understand. You didn't understand. Here, it's only and it's also understand. It's insanity. It's understand. Okay. It's understand. It's understand. That's why I will also know it's understand. You open up the door, hey, come. Come on.
Here, but this also have my shop.
Come. Look at this. Come, I'm in the corner. Look at this. You understand? You didn't understand. Eh?
This time it's not. They put a space of people.
But yeah, but see, I don't want.
No, I organized for another shop.
Yeah, but you people are doing business here. You need to take care of the place. We need the place to look good.
Yes, you are right.
Eh? Look at what is happening now. Go together, you need to make this, and I need to find this place very clean, not
Yes,
like this.
okay, I'm sure. Give me one day. Tomorrow you come.
If you are not doing this, I'll come and close the shop because we need cleanliness here.
Yes, you are right.
We don't need this.
Just to give you one day. The day.
I will clean.
Because another shop will not be able to come.
Usitenga hizi kuzuola mnamwini bali sina andinoka mwini bila kupanga. Sikudikira wina waje kama mwini bila waje. Hata tusiona na. Naona ni mtu. Hawa kwa show. Kwa naona ni mwini bali bila pesa. Hawa kule mapini tu. Hawa swa kuzukula mapini. Otaira. Site singabo ile shop ni yote pini.
Worship. He's also the shop owner.
Eh? Hapana. Unaoka Islamu.
Au anakuwa
Ungelanga ndo amisavi nangotoka huko. Uzaona wazi banga klini. Mara upangira business. Ama pesa drama, apange klini mawa. Ndani wote ni ndibele pano, andibase drama hai. Ndani wote aponze mnozoneka. Awupanga drama. Kumba kwawo yo kukakaizo. Olozikola wanga loli. Ndiye ndo omwe mayambisa. Iya ndiye chani. Antu ngati kumenga ni makofi kuti musisi wako. Antu abwera pano ndasiya wapo sasaperezeso chibwana chimene. We need to be serious. Inoka Malawi malo moti nuso munene kuti abwana amene abwerera ndikuti akufika chifewa Malawi. Awakupita dziko lawo sangalole zimenezi. Mapena anthu alamanena kuti Malawi ndi kwawo. Ndikuyambisa kuti Malawi amene. Wamveza. Inugwira ni ntchito yanu ifeso tigwire ntchito yanu. Ndenda bwabalo zagwira ntchito yanu. Iwo kanduzo ndi iyayi. Zasanda uve onse uli kuno. Kwasanda. I'll come again tomorrow. If I find this all this, I'll go to this.
Not only my shop here, 5 shops.
Yeah, you need to discuss all of you, of course, everyone. You need to clean the premises.
Yes.
We don't need these premises to be like this.
Yes.
Okay? Okay.
No, even right now, I organize the other shop.
Hey. Organize this.
Yes.
I'll come again tomorrow. If I find this place like this, I'll close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right now, this shop not open. Yeah, I'm not open. So when come with this kind, today we put some more boys. Clean. I make very nice.
Clean your premises. This looks good.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Vai kupanda msalimukula antu asiponza tiziko yatuti ambanga business uzooneka kunaona nisikale kala nasamalira kalikali kosema wakuleka kalipakali kaangotola basi mosemu anaitangana ndaona mosemu mazanga ijeyo mapetaja kuzuza wina wache yema upanga business musuko kone manzo oseo ndio ndakuyenda umiseo omiso singani hapo wanga ndaba zingana zokwa Nebani, kuja kutusa ngoma sio ndio yani kwa kutusa ngoma ndo hawapuze kini. Kaona na wakungokolo papa ati ni wakungokolo papa ni buzani. Kila watu na kuchi. Siko tizo zoseza ngukala. Okay. Ema. Ndio watu ni buzani ngukala. Kupanda leo ni ngoja kwani basi wauza chilo wanu line yanu haya kama kuna zilizoone hapo kwa kidogo zote tunazungumza hapo basi Hey. I say,
When are you?
and don't say what we got in the land. Say what how much of 1, 2, 3, 4. I've only find out who we are. Come out. Come on. Come out. Wait for me. Come out.
You should wait here.
Hey. Come on. Again, the one that is fast. What's on that? Hey, come on. Come on.
Wait for him here. Wait him. Come in. Hey.
Come on, hey, come. Madam, come. The English is good. Very English. But the problem now, see this. Come on. I want to show you. I want to show you. Hey, look at this. Your shop is here. You can't find someone to book this place. Huh? You're waiting all this from here. You can't clean it. They are clean. Moving out. I don't do that. Huh? As you will. You want to go side. I got it. Hey, how many? I got now super. Babu nunca, inozomundithandizire mumpeze munati wa building iyi mumuzi otokera kutaona nzomwe zikuchikuzaona pakunungata mungaiti taonani pabe chomwe akupanga ndiyene chomwe ndizipanga ndikasi anthu amabvisala ndisabweza kusendani mashopu mawa ndikabwera ndikatiza zone. Tomorrow when I come and find this thing like this, I'll close all the shops. We need cleanness. Yeah, clean. Ola baba mena baba tukalipeza nyama tena ndio mafukapa pabanja wazone kama ndio singani tu yangi nikani au nabi mbana wako hawa kumisamba koma nao ina gamba ndama kulisa bwana kusamba Come here, we are talking this way. Oh, come. Come. Now, how do you do business? Go speak English. Staff. Staff, no. Staff, staff how can you done? Mafana ujani. Pena mabanga dalatwa. Abaganga sabu bazona di. Abaganga dala kuda unenga di matu. No English, but you know English. I want cleanliness. If you are not doing clean, we need clean here. I don't want to find this when I come tomorrow. Mawandibwe. Town ino dufuna wina aliyesa kenge bombati. Simuntu mozi ya. Inu wa pese wina waja bazisesa bazoneka kuno. Awone mepa kunukira bamaro olokudia olonyumba mawo yangaka. Olozuko wanga lodi kale lot. Nani mwenyabo yanganira ichi. Ali kuti mwenyabo yanganira ichi. Kama mwindane.
And udari ubanda bawe.
Biro baje baje.
One is good. Banda bawe. Banda bawe we uro.
This is something you are so bad now. Kutoka bwana ukuja aone ni mistake. Hizi za kusudi kama ndiki yana do isikia. Kama kama kitabu kina jana.
This is Gamba guy. At your son now. Oma you down now.
Ya kukondia ni mistake ya kaandika.
You know sabule mali gani bwana ni mtu sasa.
Hao na ngari muna liki ya kuleta kwa gari.
Yes, I need to clean, clean.
And I only now job me pay money, so job you already pay money.
Pay money to remove. I'll come tomorrow. I want to see.
And then maybe I get
What's that? You took it. What do you want? Yes, I'm every day, me come in.
Today, clean. Tomorrow I'll come and see clean.
You took a Yamata out.
Clean. Okay.
Nobody Jomo. Nobody is in that.
I will. Muso kana bila mina mapanga complain. Angoma ukala ukombe. Leo upanga ukombe. Leo ukita ukombe. Ngele nisibona ngidumbu mato. Sabu. Bebanda sokuleza business. Bebanda.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.